Hello, everyone. The video shows how to download 922s5 Proxy. 922s5 Proxy is a residential proxy server that supports Socks5 and HTTP protocols. Proxy has Windows, macOS, and Linux versions. Here I download Windows version. Then, double-click the exe file. Select Installation Directory. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. You can select a language. Then enter your email and password to log in. Then you can recharge. Then, use these IPs. Select a country, state, and city. Search. You can also search each IPs by zip code, ISP, or IP range. Right-click an IP and select a port. You can see proxy IPs that you have bought in 24 hours in today's list. You can also use API to extract proxy IPs. Add some applications to use program proxy network. There are ISP proxy and static proxy. For all IPs, you can directly right-click an IP and forward. You can recharge according to your needs. The video is alright. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel.